you so stuck.
Got my boy that got me right. Nigga, all nigga rigs. What's up, man? ABM racing, but this ain't ABM. So we popping. Good. It look cold. Yo, what's up? Good.
You should have taken it home and did it your damn self. Now put that on your YouTube.
Don't be rude now.
I don't care.
But I know you fucking lying. What the fuck is... Cuz, I know this ain't no sound, cuz. They got a, what you call it in here, though? Bro. Yeah, TRS right there. I ain't gonna hit a cat. For who? It's okay. What is it right here? Oh, this is a Viper. Oh, my mom, you ain't see this right here, though. I got 2 bottles, you know.
Oh. Okay. So, you know how Dodge might be, stopping making cars and all of that, so we have a lot of, engines. We have about 3 to 4 engines just in case we ever need them. This place sometimes looks like a Chevy dealership or a Dodge dealership because we are either waiting for computers or transmissions, new blocks, new engines. And you can see them here. Superchargers, whipples, Sometimes cars do take time. Once again, babies, they sit inside.
What's up, dog? What's up?
Been alright today?
Yeah.
You ever hear 1,000 horsepower rim shot?
You said what?
Have you ever heard 1,000 horsepower ram shot?
1,000 horsepower ram shot.
You gotta stand behind it though.
You said you gotta stand behind
You
it.
gotta stand behind it.
Doing like that.
This yours?
No, this one's not mine.
Look at the tips. So loud.
So just keep in mind, look at the tags because cars come from everywhere.
Yeah. Oh no.
All right, and sometimes we get cars from dealerships or other places where they couldn't really get the work done, so we gotta take over. We also do a lot of LS swaps. You're gonna see Monte Carlos, 1969 Camaros.
Yeah, see, he like that right there.
I try for LS swap.
We have different packages, and we do work with our clients. So finance options, you guys can go through that too. So we work with our clients.
SRT big homie.
So like for example, that 1969 Camaro is gonna go to SEMA in a few years. SEMA in Las Vegas. Mm-hmm. So if you guys want, you guys can come to that over there.
I see.
No, nah. Well, that's y'all shop car too?
clients. All of these are LS lots.
Lambo. So, but
I
yo,
think this is 60.
I'm a little. Tell her what you got.
I got a 66.
Okay.
Hard top man convertible.
Wow. What color?
It hasn't been painted yet. I'm
Okay.
still.
The El Camino.
Oh, no. Well, I got El Camino. That's the one I rate.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this car belongs to Rico. Rico has a few cars here at the shop, but he picked up his Camaro, and now we're still finishing this car. But it's really nice. So when we work on cars, we have this type of plastic or the type of like quality blanket so that it doesn't get scratched or anything like that. And I'm going to show you another car over here, an Impala. He came from a storage frame because the owner didn't want to have to sit in his house. Because you know that we work with cars that have very expensive paints.
Yeah, see that.
We try not to breathe too much next to that car. So watch your step. So this is also
What's going on there?
Oh, this is what you want.
Yeah, this one might be started today. We're putting a base tune on it so that we get the first crank up. We haven't started it yet, but hopefully in a few hours it'll be up and running.
Oh, you said it'd be up and running in a few hours.
Yeah. So right now it's at the stage where I just care about only cranking it up, getting it running,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna tidy up all the wires so you literally can't see anything. You never really want to tidy up the wires beforehand because if you have a small issue somewhere in the wiring, you got to take it all apart, to find it. But yeah, this one's real nice. It's a 6.0 with the LSA supercharger from like a 2013 Camaro.
Yeah.
One. We did the Concept One accessory drive, so all that's real nice and polished up. New radiator, transmission. I think we're gonna do suspension on this one. He's putting some big wheels on it, but it's gonna be a cool car when it's done.
What kind of rim is that in? He changed that rim too?
I don't think we're changing the rear end, but I think we're gonna shorten it a little bit, yeah, because he's gonna put some wide. I don't know if he's on 24 or 26s on this car.
That's like maybe 26 unless you go on date.
Probably 26. Yeah, they're all gold too.
Yeah.
So we're changing out those hood latches right there.
Yeah.
To gold plated, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like a rose gold, so it's pretty nice.
Do y'all?
What y'all gonna put in here?
So this is gonna be.
He gonna talk about his old schools. Oh no, you good. It's on YouTube.
Okay.
You alright? I'm gonna shout out Lily.
Oh God. Okay. Well, here we have a few Hellcats. We have a Viper. Shelby.
Yeah.
And then our dyno kit. So this is where we do our full dyno tunes. We do dyno days, dyno nights here. It's really cool because we bring out a big TV where we display like numbers. And
So y'all just let people come and let it.
yeah, it's like a dyno day, dyno night.
Yeah.
Everybody
How much y'all
comes.
charge for that?
So it depends. 2 to 3 pools right now is about $85. But we print you out the graph and everything, so it's really neat.
That's what's up.